Hey, what's going on? This is Nore, the host of the Gliding on Tools YouTube channel. And what I have for you today is a review and install of the KEMIMOTO D-shaped passenger floorboard chrome covers. Right after this. Welcome back to my channel. I got a review and install today of a KEMIMOTO Passenger D-shaped floorboard chrome cover. I've had this cover for about a month now. I've been doing tests behind the scenes to ensure there's no pitting in the chrome, checking for durability, and ensuring the product is actually a good product for me to do a review on. So here it is, this review, all right? The chrome cover from KEMIMOTO looks just like this. All right, I've already installed it on the motorcycle. It's been being ridden constantly over the past month, and now I'm going to show you the install and how quick that install is. As you all can see by my wardrobe change, this is actually a different day from the intro. Now we're getting ready to install the chrome covers on the floorboards, and I'm going to show you that process here momentarily. All right, so I am leaving the floorboards on. All right, so I have the instructions for the chrome covers. They're off to the side. All right, I know the instructions say to remove the floorboard so that way you can actually drill into it. But I'm going to be skipping that step. I'm just going to drill into it while it's on the bike and then attaching the chrome cover to it. All right, I've already made my 2 pilot holes. So what you want to do is take your chrome cover, okay, place it over and line it up to where you need it to be. All right, from there you just take a marker and mark the 2 holes that you need to drill into. All right, and then what I'm going to be doing next is drilling those 2 holes so that way we can install it. Be right back. Okay, so I drilled the 2 holes. Now, once you have the 2 holes drilled, what all you're gonna do is mount your chrome cover right onto it. All right. So we're gonna get this started, and the screws that they come with are self-tapping screws. All right. And all you're gonna do is too easy. And get the other screw started in there. And just like that, you have an instant chrome cover for your floorboard. Now I'm going to get a quick close-up of this so that way you all can see. Take a look at that nice chrome cover now. Now I do have to wipe it off, get my fingerprints off, but as you can see, it's looking sharp. All right, so it's completely put on, drilled in, got the cover on there. It's looking good. It's matching the rest of the bike now instead of having that dull black. Now what you're gonna do is, I'm not gonna show you on video, but what you're gonna do is you're just gonna repeat the exact same steps on the other side, and then you'll have both your floorboards with chrome covers looking good when they're flipped up. Hey, thank you for watching this quick video of a KEMIMOTO D-shaped passenger floorboard chrome cover. And if you're interested in this product, I'm going to post the link down below in my description block for you all to hop on there and save a couple bucks. So that's all I have for today, and as always, enjoy your ride.